Parmesan Pizza. Talk to me. This pizza is all about the sauce. So we're gonna dump in these San Marzano. And they got to be the San Marzano, you feel me? Got to be the real deal Holyfield product of Italy. You know what I'm saying? Italy. Any girl know they feeling me. And what we do, we just squeeze them up. Just squeeze them. They break real easily. It don't take a whole lot, you know what I'm saying? See how easy they break. And you make it kind of like a crushed tomato sauce with these San Marzanos. These San Marzano, they real tomatoey. They good though. You know what I'm saying? They give you that real authentic Italian pizza sauce flavor, but we still gotta season it up. So that's what we about to do next. Garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, sugar, black pepper, and salt. And we're just gonna mix this and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. I like to show y'all these prices because I like to show y'all how cheap stuff is. It don't really cost a lot to cook good at home. You just gotta take your time and be able to go to a few stores. You know, I don't mind going to the different grocery stores, you feel me? I done went to probably about 4 or 5 stores a day to get everything I needed, but it's definitely worth it. And we got this boneless chicken breast. We only paid $2.26 for it. Watch how much meat we get out of it for our pizza, you feel me? And I'm about to show y'all how to cook this up because the chicken is the most important part of this since we're doing a chicken Parmesan pizza. So now you see we got this seasoned up real pretty. Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, and just a sprinkle of the lemon pepper. Just drop our chicken breast into our seasoned flour and get that all coated together. After you get it coated, you kind of want to beat it. You know what I'm saying? Just beat it. Just beat it. No one wants to be defeated. But you just beat it a little bit so you can get it a little bit more evened out. So when it cooks evenly. You know what I'm saying? Because the thing about it is, this pizza gonna cook in the oven too. So you don't want it to be overcooked because you overcook your chicken in the first process. You know what I'm talking about? So just beat it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Michael Jackson already done told us. So we got our breast in some egg wash. See, it's all coated. And then we're just gonna stick it in our breadcrumbs. Right here, we season these breadcrumbs because sometimes breadcrumbs can be a little boring. So we just season them with some salt, pepper, Parmesan, Romano, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of paprika. See, that's how you want it coated. You want it coated like fully. You don't want no little spots or nothing like that. You want it coated fully, coated on both sides. You see what I'm saying? And then you go straight into your hot grease. And once it gets nice and pretty and golden brown like this, then we'll just take it off and let it rest, and then we'll cut it up on our pizza. Make sure you grease your baking dish really good so that your pizza is not sticking to the pan once you get it out. So your dough ball could be a little sticky, so you just sprinkle a little bit of flour on top. And that will allow you to work with it a little bit more. It won't be as sticky, and you'll be able to stretch it easier. So the flour allows you to work with your dough and allows you to shape it to the pan that you have. We don't have a circle pan today, so we're just gonna kind of shape it to this square pan, and we'll have a square pizza. All right, so I season my crust just a little bit of salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, just to give our crust flavor. We want every part of the pizza to have. So the first thing we do, we take our sauce, and just spread it over our crust. You see, we laid our crust out here. Sometimes that can take a little time. I mean, it's not easy. You want to make sure it's spread evenly and you actually have a crust. But we just get this all over the crust. All right, so now we got our sauce spread evenly. We're going to go ahead and just lay out a bed of spinach. We're also going to just season this with a little bit of salt and pepper, just because we don't want nothing to have not any flavor. And this spinach right here is just some fresh So, I mean, obviously it hasn't been seasoned, so we're just gonna season it with a little bit of that. Then we'll go in with some of our breaded chicken that we've cooked up. And like I said, we didn't want to overcook the chicken and make sure it was super done because it's gonna cook again while it's in the oven. So we don't want it to be dry, especially with a chicken breast. Chicken breasts dry out really, really quickly. So we just put that right on top of our bed. Now we got all of our chicken down. We're gonna go in with some goat cheese. Normally, on a traditional chicken parm, you would do fresh mozzarella. But I just love the way goat cheese and spinach go together in chicken. It's just, you know, it's just something totally different from the norm. And you know me, I always like to be different. Something my daddy taught me when we was coming up. He said, "Son, I'm gonna tell you right now, son. If you get in trouble and you was following somebody else, I ain't coming to get you out. But if you get in trouble on your own, I'll come get you." That's what my daddy used to tell me. So yeah, so we're gonna use goat cheese instead of mozzarella. And you see how pretty that is? It's beautiful right now. We're gonna take some fresh tomato and just kind of sprinkle that over the top. If you have some bacon, you know what I'm saying, you done cook some bacon and chopped it up, you can put that on here. That would go really good on top of this. I would do that like some cayenne candy bacon, but everybody don't eat pork, so just to keep it simple for video purposes, we're just gonna go in with some fresh tomato. Put a little bit more salt just to cover it up. And you can smell that San Marzano, the tomato. It's just a different swag. Like you can't get the one that say San Marzano style. You got to get the real deal Holyfield. All right, and the last step, just get your cheese on there. So we got a 5 blend Italian cheese blend that we're gonna coat this with. Make sure it gets all over the pizza. You see how cheesy that is. I mean, this ain't no average pizza, you know what I'm saying? This is not anything you're gonna find at no restaurant, store, nothing like that. This is a whole different ball game right here. And then some Parmesan Romano just to top it all the way off. We're gonna put this in the oven at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's golden brown, the crust is golden brown and the cheese is golden brown. And then we'll show you what it looked like. We probably needed a deep dish pan, you know what I'm talking about? But yeah, I got to have it. I have to put on my gloves because I'm about to do surgery. So we got a little pizza cutter here. Pizza has been cooling a little bit. See how good it looks. Yeah. I can't wait. I can't wait to try this. A chicken Parmesan pizza. I ain't never even. All I need is a little ranch on the side. You know, we black people, we love ranch on everything. Yeah. That's real. See, I got a fork. Pizza real when you gotta have it with a fork. The fresh tomato, the San Marzano.